Maybe I could do it.
All right, here we have the beekeepers getting ready. Say hello.
Hello.
Mostly just don't want them to get in our hair, because then they get really scared.
Eyes,
they get scared or they get tangled up in
And
their
here
hair.
is the swarm.
Sounds so scary to say swarm.
Bees that we are
like
about to,
like you see on
I don't know, harvest? What are we doing with them?
We are going
We are
to collect
hiving
them.
them.
We're collecting them. Hiving them, yes, whatever. Something.
There's the hive. All right.
Get the brush? Here we go. Oh my goodness, that's all bees? That's all bees. I thought they were covering something. No, that's all bees.
Ooh, one just hit me.
Yeah, they'll fly around a little, but just don't panic. Just let them fly. And they'll fly back.
Okay. I think I'm gonna.
Alright, put it down, hon. I need to get them off the glove.
I'm gonna stop now.
Back up a little bit.